defense for the Colorado Avalanche. Wearing number 44, Ryan Wilson.
Wilson has it lined up. Ryan Wilson cross into the Colorado zone. Stolen off Kuhn. The net is the screen out of the ice. The ball.
Ryan Wilson, worn with pride.